Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. If you will turn it on for the very first time, you will have to tap on this option, show your data, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can check that I've been using it for 30 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, but also on the camera and the others. We've got also the unlocks count and notifications count. And what I wanted to say is that you can actually check some further details using two different ways. So first of all, you can tap directly inside of this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long you've been using the whole device, the whole screen, and you will be able to check it for particular days. So for example, you can check that today I've been using it for 30 minutes, but yesterday I was not using it at all. Under it you've got also listed apps which I've been using and the particular time. What's more, here you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, so the dashboard will be changed slightly. So that was the first way of checking some info, and the second way is not to check the time for the whole screen but for particular app. So for example, the settings, and as you can see right now we can again see the dashboard, but it is connected directly to this particular app, so for the settings. So for example, I've been using the settings today for 23 minutes and yesterday I was not using them at all. The same situation can change the screen time to the notifications received, times opened, and from daily to hourly. So let me go back, and this is basically how to check the total screen time. And under it you've got some useful options. So for example, you've got the section connected to the waste disconnect, and you've got the dashboard, bedtime mode or focus mode, which are quite cool and useful options. So for example, entering focus mode, you will be able to select some distracting apps. So for example, some social media and so on and so on. You can mark them. Let's pretend that calculator is the most distracting app for me, and the calendar. You will be also able to set the schedule, so you can pick particular days in which you would like to use the focus mode. You can pick the start and end time also. And after turning it on, your device will simply limit the notifications which you will receive from the distracting apps. So you will you will receive them, but you will not be able to see them. And thanks to this, you will be able to use it whilst, for example, you'd like to rest, you'd like to study, work, or simply sleep. So it's up to you, and I really think that it's very useful. And under it you've got the options to reduce the interruptions. So you've got the options which are defaultly on this device installed, so the manage notifications option and the do not disturb mode. Under it you've got a heads up also and show icon in the app list, and you can enter the parental controls right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.